The new Hawkins Bay hot tub from Blue Whale Spa. Brand new to the 2024's collection, whether you're hosting friends or enjoying some solo relaxation, the Hawkins Bay hot tub has room for up to 5 people. And with 2 shelf-style loungers, you can stretch out and truly unwind. It's packed with a foot massage, 4 stunning fountains, and a cutting-edge Balboa control system with a sleek TP600 control panel. This hot tub isn't just about good looks. It's got 3 Stormforce 7 pumps, a dedicated circulation pump, and a powerful 2 kilowatts heater. That means you're getting efficient, consistent heating and jet power for an unparalleled massage experience. Speaking of jets, there are 60 of them, ensuring every inch of you gets pampered. Set the mood with a light show that dances through the water with 18 built-in LEDs. Plus, with enhanced insulation, you can enjoy your hot tub all year round, knowing it's energy efficient. Crank up the built-in Bluetooth sound system and soak to your favorite tunes. This hot tub comes with matching steps and an insulating lockable cover to keep things neat, tidy and secure. Blue Whale Spa provides free delivery and installation across the UK mainland. All you need is a 13 amp power supply from a professionally installed waterproof outdoor socket. Your Hawkins Bay hot tub comes with a filter included, plus Blue Whale Spa has all the chemicals you need to keep your water crystal clear. Blue Whale Spa offers finance options with 0% or 4.9% APR, so you can spread the cost and get that hot tub lifestyle sooner rather than later. Call 01159548888 to find out more. Upgrade your home with the Hawkins Bay hot tub and turn every evening into a mini vacation.